good evening everyone. So I just want to endorse this product that I have. This is Alert toothpaste for only $1.59 each, and these are the promo or pamphlet at this company, and these are the sample brochure that will given as a member of this company, like personal collections. And if you want to become a member of this company, you can submit each of your requirements that you have, like barangay certification or residency, and any proof, government valid ID, only, and 2 pieces, 2x2 or 1x1 picture, white background, or passport sizes. And I will show this is my invoice receipt when I avail this product and a member of this company, that will show us to you. And I have a signature when I avail this product, and I sign it through my name. And this is a receipt that will show us for each of you. And this is my product that I would sell in market. And this is my business that will show for each of you. Thank you.